Namaskaram my girlfriends, I am Pooja Nanda and Swagatam to my channel. If you are new here then please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell below. Also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave my Insta handle somewhere on this screen. So in today's video I am going to show you this Onam look right here. Basically Onam is a South Indian Keralite festival celebrated by Malayali people, and on this day girls and women wear Kasavu sari, which is basically a typical off-white sari with golden border. The sari which I am wearing now, this kind of sari, and I love this sari. Their culture, their food, obviously food should be there. Well, coming back to the makeup, this look is very simple, chic and easy to do. As we all know, festivals के दिन हमें काफी कम time मिलता है to get ready or to experiment with any makeup. So we have to do everything in very hush hush. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी हमें सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. इसीलिए I kept this look very simple and easy, yet adorable and beautiful. So without wasting any time, let's see how to achieve this look. Let's go. Hey everyone, I have already moisturized my skin, as it is really important to hydrate your skin before you start your makeup, and also covered my blemishes with concealer. Now moving on to foundation, I am going to take it on my fingers and dot it all over my face. I am not going to use too much of foundation because I want my base to look very natural. Now I'll blend this foundation with my fingers. As you all know, I don't like to use any beauty blender or brushes until it is required. So there is छोटू सा tip for you guys. So apply ice cube before doing your makeup, as it will help your makeup last and your skin will glow like anything, and it will also calm your active pimple. Now moving on to concealer, I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on my forehead, nose and chin, basically on my T-zone, around my mouth, and some on my eyelid for my eyeshadow. I'll use my finger to blend the concealer, so I won't rub or spread it all around. I'll just dab it under my eyes. So you girls, concealer instantly brightens your under eyes and helps to make you look fresh. Now for my brows, I am going to fill my brows and give them a nice shape. Well, I follow natural line of my brows. I never overdo it, and this whole changes your look. Now moving on to my eyeshadow, I will keep it very simple, not too much. I'm going to use this brown lip liner all over my lid. I'll just apply it on my lid and smudge it with my fingers. It will act as a base color for my other eyeshadows, as I am going to top other eyeshadows on this. I will take this black eyeshadow here and apply it on my outer V. So here I am using a brush to blend my eyeshadow, as it is not possible to achieve the look which I want with my fingers. Blend everything very nicely so that there should be no harsh line. Now I'll use this light golden shade right here on my lid. So I'm going to create a very basic minimal smoky eye look. Okay, so I agree it is not that minimal, but it is super easy to do for your festivals. And I personally feel that smoky eye is a lifesaver when it comes to eyeshadow game. I feel something is missing in this eyeshadow. So what I'll do is I will take this shade right here and build it up. It's just one shade darker than the previous golden eyeshadow. So I'll blend everything nicely so that there should be no harsh lines. And now I'm going to take a lighter shade and highlight my brow bones. I have taken same brown pencil and I am lining my lower lash line. I'll just smudge it to get a smooth effect. So I'm going to use a liner now, and I love this liner so much. It's Lakme Instant Liner. I'm just going to make a medium line, not too thick, not too thin. But you can, however, make your liner thick or thin as per your choice, and can also make a wing. Now I am going to apply kajal. So usually I don't use kajal on daily basis, but for especially for this look, I thought it will really look good. Oh, God bless me. So my eye look is done. So this is totally optional, guys. I am going to bronze my face. I just want few cuts or shades on my face. Girl, what is shade? Oh, so I'm sorry, I mean cut shadow. So here's my baby. I love her. Even she wants to do my makeup today. By the way, she's my niece and she was there with me in my last video too, and she's so cute. Well, back to our makeup. I'm going to use a blush after bronzing my face. I'll apply it on my cheeks and on my nose, and you guys know I never skip it on my nose. I want my cheeks and nose to be pink all the time. So after this I'm going to use mascara. Oops, upside down mascara. But before that I'm going to curl my lashes. It is so important, guys. It lifts up your eyelashes. So as I always said, never pump your mascara as it will dry your mascara really very soon. So I'm going to use first coat of my mascara. And if you've seen my previous video, you know I use 2 coats of mascara. Now I'll put second coat of mascara, that too in zigzag motion. So if you want to know exactly how I put mascara, I will put the link in the description box of that video. You can go and check that video out. This technique really helps your mascara look thick. Now moving on to your lips, I am going to hydrate my lips. I will use a lip balm. You can use any lip balm that you have. Before applying my lipstick, I am going to line my lips with a neutral lip liner. It helps your lips stand fuller as neutral color blends into your skin and it appears like you have a natural fuller lips. So I'll suggest you always line your lips before applying any lipstick. Now moving on to lipstick, I have 2 shades and I'm not able to find. Okay, I got it. So I have one in neutral nude shade and second one is a darker shade. First I'll apply my nude lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick. I'll apply it all over my lips properly. I feel you should have one nude and one dark lipstick in your purse always. So I am going to use second lipstick. So this is a maroonish red shade. I'm going to apply it only in the middle inside of my lips like this. ऐसे लग रहा है मैंने पान खाया है. So now I'm going to blend this lipstick. I am just dabbing this lipstick all over my lips, not all over, inside of my lips. I don't want to go outside as I want my outer part to be neutral and my inner part to be darker. I hope you're understanding me. Oh, again I forgot something. Okay, I forgot to highlight my inner corners. I'm using this shade to highlight my inner corners. This thing makes such a huge difference in your eyeshadow look. So always opt for a lighter shade or any light silver shimmery shade for your inner corner look. Okay. Now moving on to a highlighter, I am going to use a brown shade highlighter like golden shade. Where to show? Okay, here. So this is how it looks. I just love this highlighter. Look at the pigment. Oh my God. So I am using it on bridge of my nose and on my cheekbone, and I am just spreading it with my fingers. This instantly gives that glow to your cheek and to your makeup, and it looks just amazing. So now I'm going to take a little bit of it and applying on top of my, not on top, on upper side of my lips just to highlight my lips, and it looks good. So the look is done, guys. This is how this makeup turned out. Even I love this look like last. Now I'm going to wear this Kasavu sari and I'll wear my jewelry and I'll be back. Bye. Like this video, girls. If you recreate this look, then do comment down below for your feedback and also tag me on my Instagram. I will leave my handle in the description box below. Do give a big thumbs up to this video. Till then, be safe with your family. Bye bye. Love you all.